What's up guys, Aerospike99 here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create, export, and then use your own ringtone using GarageBand on iOS. So first thing you're going to do, obviously, is open up GarageBand, and you'll either be loaded right into a song, or you'll be loaded into this screen that I have here. So if you get to this screen, you can click Create Document, and then you're just going to click New, or use any pre-existing loops in the others. I'm just going to make a real quick song here, and let's just make a very simple one. Very simple. So once you get your song made, you want to record it. Alright, now that we have the song recorded, even though this is very only 5 measure long one, or 4, I'm not sure, only 4. You just want to exit out and go to My Songs up in the top left corner. Then you're going to click and hold on it and then let go, and then you can rename it whatever you want. This is going to be the name of your ringtone that appears. I'm just going to name it YouTube. There it is. So you're going to click the select button in the top right corner, then actually click on the video, and then click this icon down in the bottom left, and then you can share it. You can either save it as a song and send it to somebody through iMessage. You can make it a project, or in this case, we're going to click ringtone, and then you click export, and it's going to export it directly to your settings, and then you click OK. Now we're going to go out of GarageBand and into settings. And as you can see, I already loaded right into here, but you want to click into sounds and haptics. And then you're going to click ringtone. And as you can see, we have YouTube right there. So we're going to click that, and it's going to play for us. So that is it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, as I would greatly appreciate it. It honestly helps my channel so much to see that. And as always, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.